Hello everyone, this is Dhaval Kumar Chavda, volunteer at AFRS. We are coming up with a new series of MCQ which is AFRS MCQ times PART-59 on the topic ESDA, electrostatic detection apparatus. So we are starting with questions. Question number 1. Which instrument is regularly used for question document analysis to decipher indentation or impression in paper? Option A VSC, Option B ESDA, Option C SEM, Option D TEM. The correct answer is Option B ESDA. ESDA is the apparatus which is primarily used for decipher the indentation on the documents. Now the next question is question number 2. Indentation is also known as Option A latent impression or writing, Option B patent impression or writing, Option C plastic impression or writing, Option D none of the above. The correct answer is Option A latent impression or writing. Now the next question is question number 3. Indentation writing is formed due to Option A due to application force of writing style, due to application of pressure by writing surface, Option C due to application of pressure by writing instrument, Option D due to application force by writer. The correct answer is Option C due to application of pressure by writing instrument. Now the next question is question number 4. Which of the following is the component of ESDA? Option A reel holder, Option B main unit, Option C corona vent, Option D all of the above. The correct answer is Option D all of the above. Now the next question is question number 5. Factors influencing the quality of final image by ESDA. Option A paper type, Option B document humidification, Option C both of this, Option D none of this. The correct answer is Option C both of this. The paper type and the document humidification, both these the factor which affect the quality of final image by ESDA. Now the next question is question number 6. Which of the following is a non-destructive technique? Option A ESDA, Option B stereo microscope, Option C VSC, Option D all of this. The correct answer is Option D all of this. Now the next question is question number 7. Indented writing are Option A force applied behind writing, Option B writing pattern on surface, Option C inclination of letters on writing surface, Option D application of pressure by writing surface. The correct answer is Option D application of pressure by writing surface. Now the next question is question number 8. The principle of ESDA based on Option A thickness variation theory, Option B surface variation theory, Option C charge capacitance principle, Option D all of the above. The correct answer is Option D all of the above, as the principle of ESDA is based on the three theories, that is thickness variation theory, surface variation theory and charge capacitance principle. Now the next question is question number 9. The charge electrode used in ESDA is called Option A charge vent, Option B corona vent, Option C capacitor vent, Option D negative electrode vent. The correct answer is Option B corona vent. Now the next question is question number 10. Which of the following is not application of ESDA? Option A checks and traced forgery, Option B ransom note, Option C security feature of currencies, Option D anonymous letters. The correct answer is Option C security feature of currencies. Now the next question is question number 11. Arrange the following given clues as in the arrangement of platen. Here 5 steps is given, we have to arrange them of platen. First, charging of the surface. Second, preservation and result. Third, imaging film. Fourth, nature of document. And fifth, toner to develop indentation. And the options are Option A 4 1 5 3 2, Option B 4 1 5 2 3, Option C 4 3 1 5 2, Option D 4 3 1 2 5. as we arranging this 5 step, first step become the nature of document, that is fourth. Next step, that is imaging film, that is third. Next step, that is charging of the surface, which is the first step. Next, the step that is toner to develop indentation, which is the fifth. And at last, that we have to preservation and result. So these are the following sequence of the step. So as in this sequence, 4 3 1 5 2, option C is the correct option. Now the next question is question number 12. Which of the following statement is correct with respect to the steps of implementation of ESDA? Here, first statement is given. In this, according to this statement, we have to identify the correct statement. Option A, the document has to humidified approximately 80%. The document is placed on a porous electrically earthen platen so that it is drawn up the action of the vacuum pump. Option C, negative electrical charges deposited on the upper surface of the imaging film using the hand-held corona vent. Option D, electrostatic imaging is developed and made visible by applying positively charged black toner powder to the imaging film. And the correct answer is option C, negative electrical charges deposited on the upper surface of the imaging film using the hand-held corona vent. Now the next question is question number 13. ESDA is an instrument used for question document analysis to decipher indentation or impression in a paper. Was developed by option A, MAKZ, option B, Foster and Freeman, option C, Eurofins, option D, DJ Pertin. The correct answer is option B, Foster and Freeman. Now the next question is question number 14. Dash model was based on charge transport through the Mylar-paper-platen structure and is called charge transport model. Option A, Foster's model, option B, Portal's model, option C, Sievert's model, option D, none of this. Correct answer is option C, Sievert's model. Now the next and the last question, that is question number 15. ESDA method can also be used to lift. Option A, footprint in a dust, option B, fingerprint, option C, lip print on glass, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, footprint in a dust. Thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and for more update visit our website and YouTube channel regularly.